YouTube, it's your girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this look using some new products that I got in my BoxyCharm premium box for the month of April. So if you want to see how I created this look, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So yes, I am excited to be doing this video today because I just got this palette in my BoxyCharm premium box, and if you haven't seen that video, I'll have it linked up above. And yes, this is from Lunar Beauty, the Life's a Drag palette, which is by Manny Mua, a fellow YouTuber, and she is so pretty. When I seen this yesterday, I knew I had to just do a look with her today. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in so we can get started. Okay. Alright, so I got you guys zoomed in, and we're going to start by priming the eyes, of course, and I'm going to be using my Maybelline Better Skin concealer, and this is in medium deep, which is M400. I'm just going to put that on the eyelids, so that way our shadows have, like, you know, a nice little base to stick to. Could do a lot more. Let's do a little more. This eye looks a little dry. There we go. That looks a little better. So yeah, we're just going to pat that in. So how you guys doing? I hope you guys are, you know, staying safe in the house, washing your hands, staying safe if you have to go out and get essentials. I had to go to the grocery store yesterday and get like milk and, you know, stuff like that. And they had a gallon of milk for 99 cents. I was like, what? Are you serious? That was just crazy to me. So, hey, if y'all can find some deals out there, go ahead. So we're gonna go on and get started. Look at this beautiful palette. So the first shade I'm gonna go into is this shade right here called Hunty. And it does come with a brush, but I do want this is gonna be a transition shade for me, so I'm not gonna use this brush just yet, but I will use it for the other shades that I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna put that on there, and ooh. That is nice. I like that little transition shade. Yeah, because I like to take this all the way to my brow bone. Close to it anyway. But yeah, this is nice, y'all. Nice little color. Hunty. And I like that word. I use that word a lot. Honey. Hunty. Please. No. But yeah, you know, just kind of make myself feel a little better, get my face done, do something. Be stuck in the house, but that's all right. Alright, so now I'm going to take his brush that came with the palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Trade, which is right here. And I was going to use this shade, but I decided to use this one because it has like a little reddish color undertone to it. So I wanted to try that out and see how that does. And yeah, deepen up that crease. Ooh, and this brush works really good, y'all. And look how pigmented that brown is. Very nice. Very nice. I like it. And we're just gonna drag that down the crease. That is so nice. And it blends out really, really good. So I am liking this a lot. So we're gonna go back into that color so I can do the other eye. Yeah, I'm glad I chose this color than the other brown. The other brown is a nice brown to darken up, but I like this red. I think it just looks so much better. So we're just gonna get that outer corner going, and we're gonna drag it in our crease. Just kind of blending it. There's no harsh lines. Okay. Super pretty. nice and blended. Go back and forth and look, make sure stuff looking good. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the other part of the brush and I'm gonna go into this shade called, Beat right here. So let's see. It looks like it's a nice little shimmery pink shade, so we'll see. Ooh, yeah. I am liking that a lot. Now, it does come with a mirror. I was using my other mirror, but this does come with a mirror. Pretty, you guys. I am liking that. What do y'all think? So we just pat this little shimmer on there. And this mirror is a good size mirror. You can see everything really good. I do like that. So, what I'm gonna do now is take my fair flatting brush and go back into that hunty that we used for our transition and just kind of make sure everything blends right up in there. Okay, just you're not really going over where you put the glitter, the shimmer shade, but you're getting close enough so things can blend. Okay, and then we're gonna go back into our Manny Mua brush and just kind of hit that outer corner up around that glitter so they look like they're fading into each other. That's all you gotta do. So let me line my eyes and put my lashes on off camera and I'll be right back. I am back. I got my lashes and my liner on. So I'm going to highlight my face and I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer in C16. I just love this stuff, y'all, and it's almost gone. I have so many other concealers in there that I need to try out. And I want to try, but I just, you know, when you have an oldie but goodie, and you see she's almost gone because I have to keep going in her. That's alright. Alright, so we're going to get this blended out, and I'm going to be using my InStylish sponge. I always call it a beauty blender, but it's a sponge, y'all. Beauty blender is an actual brand. I'm always doing that, but we're just going to blend this out. In the chin, my upper lip area. I believe the sides of my nose. If I'm gonna have eyeshadow that's gonna go under my lash line, I always like to put my highlighter on first, so that way it doesn't like mess all that up. Alright, so now we got all that together. We highlighted and brightened where we need to be. I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder, and this is in Banana. I have some other setting powders in there that I wanted to try out, but they look kind of white, so I don't know. So I'm going to take This is my Opulent Beauty brush that I just got in my BoxyCharm premium box, and this is the bullet brush, and I'm gonna use this to set, or you know, under my eyes, and it's like really the perfect size. I usually use like a really big powder brush and just pretty much set my whole face, but I wanted to give their products a try, and this brush looks like it's doing the job. It's hitting exactly where I need it to and not overlapping, because the brush that I normally use will overlap. But that's all right. We got that going. We are good. And there we go. We got that all set. And now I'm gonna go back into its Life's a Drag palette, and we're gonna go into the shade. Should I go with like some color or no color, y'all? I don't know. Maybe a pop of color. What y'all think? Pink, blue? Let's do a pop of color, and we're gonna do KK, which is this pink shade here. Let's see how it turns out, y'all. And that's what I love about makeup. It's all fun. Ooh, and this pink is really pigmented. I like a lot. How's that look? I'm gonna do this other eye. It's very pigmented, you guys, and I like that. What y'all think? Think that looks good? So now we're just gonna finish the face. I'm gonna use my Morphe bronzer in Romance, and I did get this in one of my BoxyCharm. I don't know, one of my subscription boxes a long time ago, and I just love this bronzer. And as you see, it lasts. So I can't remember if it was in a Boxy, a Ipsy, or what, but it was in one of my subscriptions. I just love how this bronzer looks on my skin tone. It just looks really good. I'm pretty much almost done, y'all. Now I just need some blush, which I'm going to be using my Shayla times ColourPop blush in Construct. I thought this would be a really nice blush to wear, especially with this eye look, because you know you don't want your blush to take away from your eye look. You just kind of want to bring that color back, you know. And I always smile when I put my blush on. I'm so old-fashioned. Smile, hit those apples, and drag it back through. And then next, we need to put some highlight on, which I'm going to be using my Pretty Vulgar highlight in Shimmering Swan. Yeah, Sparkling Sass. This is a Shimmering Swan Pretty Vulgar highlight and Sparkling Sass. Sorry, y'all. Y'all know these highlights and stuff, you having so much going on. So I'm just gonna use this little highlight. It's nice. Nice little pretty highlight. I know I'm not going anywhere because, you know, we're stuck in the house. But yeah, it doesn't mean you don't have to get cute. Make yourself feel a little better, good. Because, honey, I've been like down and out just trying to upload this video, and it's been giving me issues. But I don't know. I'm just probably going to re-edit it and go, because I was able to upload other videos. So, yes. So there you go. Very cute. So I'm going to put that back. And now I just need to do my lips. And where is, okay, I'm going to be using my Shayla times ColourPop BFF pencil in number 4. I'm going to line my lips and do a new lip look today because we got a lot going on. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my KKW Nude Beauty. I think this is nude number 3. Because the writing that came off, I've had it for that long. It's my favorite. This is my go-to. My go-to new lip. It's just perfect for my skin tone. Look at that. You just gotta blot a little bit, not a lot of blotting like you gotta do with the ColourPop. Because ColourPop, if it's like a pink or nude, you know, you gotta do a lot of blotting. Well, I do, to make it blend really good. And just looks super natural. The Jenna, I just kind of hit over some areas. There we go, that is done. And we just need to set our face, boo. So I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star times Morphe setting spray and Starberry. I love setting my face, so refreshing. This is the finished look. And what do you guys think? I think it's so cute. It's definitely out of my comfort zone, a little different than what I would normally do, but definitely cute, and I am loving this palette. I'm definitely interested in maybe doing like a rainbow look with this palette, so I'll probably do that next or something because I want to play around with it some more because these colors are really pretty. They blended out really nice. And yeah, so I forgot to put mascara on, I just realized. So I'm going to be using my Wonder Beauty Mile High Club mascara, and I just put mascara on my bottom lashes. I don't put them on the top because I like to reuse my falsies, okay? So when I reuse my falsies, you don't want a whole bunch of mascara on them. I know I don't like to wash mine like that. But yeah, I'm gonna put some mascara on at the bottom. Make sure you get every lash. There we go. Mascara on. So yes, but this is the finished look. I'm pleased. I am happy with it, and I really do like this palette so far. So we'll see if the shadows last all day, if I need to retouch up or anything throughout the day. But yes. That's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And comment down in the comment section if you want to see a rainbow look with this palette. Okay? Because if so, I will do one because I'm kind of feeling like doing a rainbow look. So, yes. Until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.